just blocking in. It's going to be a lot of getting really comfortable with the messy stage, which, as many of you know, is not my favorite. Um, it's really easy at the messy stage to get discouraged to start to second guess what you're doing. But trust the process, keep going. Again, I want to reiterate, I keep looking at my Procreate drawing that I did, and seeing a lot of greens that I'm going to be adding up here. Um, and I keep fighting with myself a little bit on whether or not to add those now. I feel like adding them here, I would just end up with mud, the green and the blue, and just I'd end up with kind of a brown, and that's not what I want. So I'm going to trust the process and keep going. Okay, I think that I have it about as far as I can take it at this point without letting it dry. Um, I'm itching to keep working on it, but I'm just gonna get more brush marks, adding the black in. I'm getting some gray areas that I'll want to fix, but like I said, just trust the process. Allow it to be messy.